Hey everybody, Robert Wright here, private label attorney, and today I want to talk to you about 3 reasons why you should trademark your private label. Reason number 1, you want to secure brand registry. Brand registry is the biggest feather in your cap you as a private label seller can have when you sell on Amazon. Being brand registered is going to give you 3 things. 1, it's going to give you enhanced listing capability. So, when you go to Amazon and you see those listings that scroll down forever and there's videos and there are pictures and it looks like a website, that's a brand registered brand. You want that. That's going to give you more sales, right? It's just naturally someone who comes on a listing like that versus just the old basic generic listing of, a handful of bullets and a paragraph of sales copy. Which one are you going to purchase? You're going to purchase from the brand that looks like a legitimate brand. Brand registry gives you that, okay? The second thing the brand registry is going to give you, the ability to participate in special advertising campaigns, things like lightning deals. If you want to help drive sales, Amazon, if you're a brand registered brand, is going to give you the benefit of the doubt. They're going to give you special opportunities that other brands don't have. And thirdly, and possibly most importantly, in terms of enforcing your rights on Amazon, enforcing your rights on Amazon, you want to be able to protect your listings. So as you have hijackers jump on your listings, if you're brand registered, you can go back in the back into Seller Central. You can file a complaint with Amazon. Amazon has a team staffed 365, 24/7 that's going to take action on the complaint, and it's going to, and per its own terms or percentages, Amazon takes action on 94% of complaints from brand registered owners. So brand registry, you definitely want brand registry. The second reason that you want to register your private label trademark, you want to be able to protect your rights off platform. So if you have someone who is passing off counterfeit goods on eBay, or maybe it's Etsy, or maybe it's a Shopify store, it's somewhere else online, brand registry is not going to help you, but a registered trademark is. So you're going to be able to take that legal right, go over, and whether it's Alibaba's own terms of service, whether it's eBay's or Etsy's or Shopify or whatever it is, that's going to give you a really big club in your bag to deal with those counterfeiting products. And if you think that doesn't happen, just search Amazon for a product and then head on over to eBay. It does happen, and having a registered trademark is going to help you deal with that issue if and when it happens. And then third, and not last but least, but certainly super important, when you look to exit, and everybody's going to exit this business at some point. I know it might not seem like it right now if you're very early on in your journey, but you will exit. And when you do, if you have registered trademarks, if you have registered copyrights, if you have a patent filed, you have good sales, you have all those sorts of things, you'll get 3 times more for your business than someone who hasn't done those things. So I cannot tell you how important it is to make sure that you protect your intellectual property as you start private label selling, and registering your trademark is absolutely the first place to start. So 3 reasons to register your private label as a trademark. Happy selling.